And then what? You make a million. What, are you going to die now? Is that the end of the world? You still want to make more and you want to grow and open different businesses. So definitely don't stop at the first million. So that would be my 5 steps.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to make your first million? And today we have Max, which is the founder of Bookkeeping, join us from US. So Max, tell us, what are the 5 steps to make your first million?
Hi, Harry. Well, I mean, there are different ways to do it, but here are my 5 steps. Step number 1, create a business plan and make sure this is a live document, okay? Meaning that it's changing all the time, because tomorrow you'll know more than you know today. So just make sure that you update it and keep at it all the time, but definitely start with the business plan. And step number 2, find a team. You cannot do everything by yourself, okay? Depends on your budget, on your business. The team can be, just advisors, just, your family members who can help you. Maybe not full time, but it's who, not how. Again, you don't know everything. So you need to tap into other people's brain and resources. Step number 3, follow the plan. That's one of the hardest one, because as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you want to do everything. You run around and I'll do this and I'll do that, and usually it doesn't get you anywhere because you just don't get the most important things done. Step number 4, exit your business, or have a plan how to exit your business. Nothing is forever, okay? The idea that I'm going to build a business and I'm going to give it to my kids and then I'm going to give it to my grandkids, I think it's a myth, because you have no idea if your kids ever want this business or not, okay? So if you're not ready to exit it, at least have a plan how you're going to exit it. And step number 5, don't stop at the first million, okay? Just keep at it, because as somebody said, actually my business coach, Dan Sullivan, he said that to make your present better, you have to make your future bigger. So always make sure that your future is becoming bigger, 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 bigger. Let's say you want to make a million, and then what? You make a million. What, are you going to die now? Is that the end of the world? You still want to make more and you want to grow and open different businesses. So definitely don't stop at the first million. So that would be my 5 steps.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.